Kisses Delavine. I am 17 years old from Masbate. I am very lucky sa family ko po. Kasi my parents, they are very loving, they are very supportive. Lumaki po akong masayahin.
Pero sa likod ng mga swerteng tinatamasa ng pamilya ni Kisses, meron din silang malas na naranasan.
Ang nanay ko po, she had 8 pregnancies and I am the only one who survived. I had a sister, she only survived 1 year and 8 months old and she died because she was premature. When I was 6 years old, I was struck by this rare disease called viral encephalitis. Nakomatose po ako noon. Miraculously, 1 day later po, nagising po ako and I was as healthy as if nothing happened. My parents and people have always told me, binigyan ako ng very miraculous event talaga kasi for one reason, I still had a mission to fulfill in this world. And ngayon, I'm off to find what that mission is.
Ang miracle daughter ng Masbate.
Kisses!
Mga kapamilya, ang miracle daughter ng Masbate, Kisses! Good evening, Kisses! Tana, Kisses, at rumapat tayo papunta sa harap ng bahay.
Sweet naman ang look ni Kisses. Very beautiful girl. Alam mo, feeling lucky talaga ang daddy mo na si Daddy Gilbert na nagkaroon ng kasing ganda mong anak. Grabe. Pero Robbie, di ba nabalitaan natin, sumasali siya sa mga pageant.
Since sumasali ka sa mga pageant, here is your question. What is the essence of a teenager?
Oh, I think the essence of being a teenager is that we don't have to carry the world yet on our shoulders. We should just do what we love and never let anybody tell us that we cannot do great things. Thank you.
Thank you. Great answer.
Winner! Robbie, ihatid mo na si Kisses. O hugs and kisses muna kay Daddy.